Okay, I am going to work on my footie, whatever it's called. My grandkids always tell me I say it wrong. My ninja foodie. Anyway, got my hamburger in there, and all right, I'm going to try something new and see how it works. But nonetheless, I've got my ninja foodie. Since my kids always say I say it wrong, my grandkids, I mean. But anyway, I'm going to try to cook hamburger, and I got 3 pounds of hamburger in there and a bag of chopped onions. Now I want to put it on pressure cook for 10 minutes, seal it, and see how it works actually. So, got it on seal. I'll keep it there. Going to turn it on. And I'm going to do pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. And we'll see how it comes out. Okay, yeah, it's going good. I will let you know how it turns out. Okay, now I'm doing a quick release. All right. Well, it looks done. Some of it looks kind of pink, but that's fine. Nonetheless, let me go ahead and get my meat chopper right quick. I know, I'm doing this by hand, so, and the reason why I'm chopping it in here, so that if there's any more fat to drain, it can drain from here. If I can just keep my camera steady here. But nonetheless, that's my final product. Now, the reason why I did this particular tray is because it's got holes in the bottom of it. So therefore, while it's cooking, all the grease drains. So all I have to do is take it from here over to the sink, excuse me, put it into a bowl for it to cool, and it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. You all seen how I did this. I actually got the idea from somebody off the internet. So I will catch you all on the rebound.